Okay class, today we're going to be learning about World War II and the bombing of Pearl Harbor.
Hey teacher, may I use the bathroom?
Sure PJ. Be back in 5 minutes. We're going to watch a Pearl Harbor documentary.
Okay, I have a fart alarm ready for use. The coast is clear. So let's get this thing set up. Okay, I set the fart alarm in someone's locker. Now let's get the fuck out of here before anybody sees me.
Okay, I need to grab my textbook from my locker. This way I'll have it ready for whatever we do in history.
Fart detected! Fart detected! Fart detected! Fart detected! Fart detected! Warning! Perimeter violation! Do not come any closer! Fart detected! Fart detected! You have entered a no farting zone! Fart detected! Fart detected! Evacuate! Evacuate! Evacuate!
Holy shit. What the hell is that? A fart alarm was put in my locker. But who would do something like this?
April Fool's bitch. You just got pranked by PJ Crenshaw bitch.
PJ Crenshaw, are you fucking stupid? Why the fuck would you put a fart alarm in my locker? You know that scared the shit out of me. This is what you get for scaring the shit out of me.
Ow. You just slapped the fuck out of me.
I don't wanna hear it, you dick. I'm calling your parents.
PJ Crenshaw, I cannot believe that you put a fart alarm in a girl's locker. That was not a good prank to ever pull on anyone. That's it, you're grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room now.